Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your payroll to autopilot on Gusto Payroll. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and run payroll, but you want to make sure that it's set to autopilot. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and once you run your first payroll, you'll actually get a $100 Visa gift card sent to you. Now, in order to do this, right now I have autopilot set on my payroll. So you can see that here on the right-hand side, it says payroll and autopilot. But in order to set that, let's click on pay on the left-hand side, click on settings. And then from here, scroll down to where it says payroll and autopilot. Click on edit, and then next, scroll down. And then where it says payroll and autopilot, click on edit again. And then just make sure that this is toggled to active. But once that's set to active, your payroll will run automatically. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set your payroll to autopilot on Gusto Payroll. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.